Great white shark is known from a variety of different names such as the white pointer or simply as the great white. The great white shark is the world's largest macropredatory fish. White sharks are sexually dimorphic, in which females are larger than males. Male great white sharks average around 3.4 to 4 meters long. Male great white sharks on average weigh anywhere from 500 to 700 kilograms on average, while females are somewhat larger at around 4.6 to 4.9 meters long, and they weigh anywhere from 680 to 1100 kilograms on average, while very large females can reach 20 feet or 6 meters in length and weigh 5,000 pounds or 2,200 kilograms. White sharks mostly live in temperate latitudes with water temperatures of 12 to 24 degrees Celsius. Large populations of great white sharks are around South Africa, east coast of North America, the Mediterranean, Australia, and also New Zealand. Great white shark is a pelagic shark species. This means it is found in open waters. They have been recorded in depths as deep as 1,200 meters. These findings challenge the traditional notion that great white shark is a coastal species. Great white shark is a very formidable apex predator, but as an adult, it mostly feeds on large marine mammals, such as a variety of different seal species such as Cape fur seals, California sea lions, even the massive elephant seals, but mostly juveniles and females are targeted, but occasionally even bulls can be targeted, despite the fact that adult bulls are larger than great white sharks on average. Once it was thought that great white sharks only scavenge on whales, but now there is direct evidence that great white sharks predate on humpback whales. In fact, great white sharks will abandon seal colonies to follow humpback whales. White sharks also hunt many variety of species of dolphins, and even other sharks are taken. Great white shark is also a very efficient scavenger. Great white sharks also engage in a behavior called spy hopping. This is done in order to detect what is happening at the surface. Great white shark also have a sixth sense from an organ called ampulla of Lorenzini. This organ allows them to detect tiny electric currents from their prey. White sharks are incredibly fast. They can reach speeds of up to 30 miles an hour, although not the fastest shark. But when hunting seals, occasionally they even breach out of the water. Those great white sharks have no natural predators except orcas. Orcas are much larger, more intelligent, and hunt in groups. They can take down even adult great white sharks. They will mostly hunt them for their nutrition-rich liver. But even then, orcas will mostly target young great white sharks as they are less riskier than targeting fully grown adults. Occasionally, large adults can also be taken. Great white sharks flee their hunting grounds when orcas appear. This may be due to direct predation, or orcas might be stealing food from great white sharks. Their way, great white sharks will flee their hunting grounds and not appear for several months. The closest living relative of the great white shark is the fastest shark on Earth, the short-fin mako. Great white sharks are in the shark family Lamnidae. Most sharks, great white sharks are endothermic, which means they can regulate their own body temperature. With this adaptation, they can survive in much more colder temperature than other species of predatory sharks. The great white shark is the world's largest predatory fish, but there are other predatory sharks which rival it in terms of size. These are the tiger shark, which can reach 5 meters, and the Greenland shark, which can reach a comparable size, but both of these species are smaller than the great white in terms of weight. Great white shark is considered a vulnerable species. This is due to habitat loss and overfishing of its prey, and sometimes they're accidentally caught in fishing nets. Thankfully, great white sharks are protected species in many countries, such as Australia and United States. Bites from great white sharks on people are very rare. In fact, in 2022, there were only 57 shark attacks. White sharks will mostly attack thanks to curiosity or mistaken identity. Great white sharks have one of the strongest bite force of any animal, having a bite force of around 4,000 pounds per square inch. Great white sharks have 200 serrated blade-like teeth. Great white sharks allow their prey to bleed out and then kill them. Unlike many other sharks, white sharks will mostly use their eyesight to locate prey, but they will still use their amazing sense of smell to locate their prey. Great white sharks have a success rate of around 50%. Great white sharks cannot survive in captivity, at least for long. Their most successful attempts were made by the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Monterey Bay Aquarium managed to keep a juvenile great white shark for over 6 months in captivity. Great white sharks don't do well in captivity as they require a lot of space to survive. And also they also feed on marine mammals which are hard to provide in captivity. And they will also target other marine life in the aquarium. The gestation period of great white sharks is 2 years. Great white sharks will give birth in safe nurseries, but nobody has ever managed to film a great white shark mating. Every year, great white sharks from the coast of California will migrate to an area called Great White Shark Cafe. This place is in between California and Hawaii. Once they reach they will dive as deep as 1,500 meters. This area might be a hunting ground for great white sharks, as females, males, and juvenile great white sharks have been recorded there. Contrary to popular belief, great white sharks are actually quite social. They have a hierarchy in which bigger sharks will dominate the smaller shark. Great white sharks may even travel with one another in small groups. Still, it is rare. Great white sharks are also intelligent and can learn and remember. Great white sharks can live up to 70 years old. Male great white sharks take 26 years to reach sexual maturity. Females take 33 years to produce offsprings. In South Africa, Mossel Bay and Gans Bay, something extraordinary happened. Discussed earlier, great white sharks flee their hunting grounds when orcas appear. So this same thing happened in South Africa. All the great white sharks abandoned their hunting grounds and then seven-gill sharks took over the ecological niche of great white sharks hunting same or similar prey. Seven-gill sharks became the new apex predators of South Africa's coastlines. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something interesting. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you like to see more. And of course, have a great day. And if you have any suggestions, you can write in the comment section below.